How to make money with TikTok. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is all about making money on TikTok. TikTok has become one of the most popular apps in the world, and for good reason. It's a platform where people share short-form videos and connect with others. If you're a TikTok enthusiast, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you some of the most effective ways to monetize your TikTok account and make some serious cash. 1. Sponsoring products. One of the most common ways people make money on TikTok is by sponsoring products. This works by partnering with companies and promoting their products on your channel. For instance, if you're into skincare, you can promote skincare products. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is another great way to make money on TikTok. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale that you generate. You can either promote products in the bio section of your profile or in your videos. 3. TikTok Live. TikTok Live is an excellent way to engage with your followers and earn money. TikTok pays creators for their live streams. You can earn from gifts, which are virtual coins purchased by viewers and used to send virtual gifts of appreciation. 4. Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is a program that supports creators on the app. You can qualify for this fund if you meet certain requirements such as having at least 100,000 followers and posting original content. 5. Coaching and consulting. If you're an expert in a particular field or niche, you can use TikTok to offer coaching or consulting services. You can spread the word about your services through your videos or bio section. These are just a few of the ways you can make money on TikTok. Remember, building a massive following takes time, effort, and patience. But with the right strategies and consistency, you can quickly grow your account and make money while doing what you love. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content.